Ready for dictation? Start. This is the second appeal filed by defendant number 1 in the suit against a judgment and decree whereby the lower appellate court has reversed the decree passed in her favor by the trial court in her counterclaim. For the reference in the present appeal, the parties would be referred to as the plaintiff and defendant number 1 and defendant number 2 as described in the original plaint. Defendant number 2 filed written statement on 13/6/2006 wherein he claimed that the plaintiff had not come to the court with clean hands. It was further pleaded that the alleged portion of common yard was exclusively in the use of defendants number 1 and 2. It was further pleaded that a wall exists between the house of defendant number 1 and defendant number 2 and their houses were adjoining each other. It was further claimed by defendant number 2 that just to harass him and to grab the suit land, the plaintiff has moved the court without any cause of action. The existence of any common yard was denied by defendant number 2. It was further claimed that the plaintiff had no right to create nuisance and that defendant number 2 had every legal right to use the property in the manner he liked. Being full owner of the suit property, defendant number 2 denied the existence of ventilator and the water outlet as claimed by the plaintiff. Accordingly, he prayed for dismissal of the suit after defendant number 2 had filed written statement. Then defendant number 1 filed her written statement on 24/8/2006 wherein she also claimed that the plaintiff was neither owner in possession of the suit property nor was there a common yard. It was further claimed by defendant number 1 that the ventilator and the water outlet has been created by the plaintiff forcibly and illegally without any right, title or interest in the suit property. Earlier, her mother was residing alone in the house adjoining this alleged common yard and defendant number 1 was away from home due to work. Taking advantage of this situation, the plaintiff had installed this ventilator and the water outlet. Plaintiff and defendant number 1 lead their evidence. However, defendant number 2 did not opt to contest the case and he was proceeded ex parte on 15/1/2009. Therefore, the appeal before the lower appellate court was against allowing the counterclaim of defendant number 1 against defendant number